5 reasons to wash your bedding this summer. Welcome to our fastKlean channel. Check out our videos, you'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We fold together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Not sure if you should wash your bedding this summer? It may not look very dirty, but it houses millions of germs. These 5 reasons should convince you. Get in here. Hello everyone and welcome to another video from fastKlean. There's always this satisfying feeling that comes with coming home to a clean and neatly arranged bed. We can never doubt the magic clean bedding has on our ability to sleep well. But today, we need to talk about the horror of using dirty beddings. Some people prefer to wash bi-weekly or once a month. However, our research shows that washing once a week is the best way to go. If you can wash more regularly, that would be awesome. As we usher in the summer season, it is important to include your bedding in your summer cleaning checklist. Why? Because there's a big difference between how often you wash during the summer compared to the winter season. It is simple, you sweat more during summer. Inevitably, beddings should be cared for and washed regularly, especially during summer, to keep your bedding clean for good sleep and to maintain good health. Why should you care at all? In this video, we will show you the 5 reasons to wash your bedding this summer. By the end of this video, you should be able to tell if you should care or not. And of course, don't forget you get a bonus tip at the end of this video. So, stay glued. Also, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Number 1. You are prone to skin problems. Sleeping on dirty beddings will most definitely leave you with some skin issues. I mean, you are lying on a pile of dead skin cells, bacteria, and other germs. Don't be surprised when you start getting allergies, acne, eczema, and other skin problems. Treat your skin better. Number 2. You are sleeping on dust mites. These tiny microscopic creatures are just another reason you should wash your bedding this summer. You shed dead skin cells every night. Dust mites are known to feed on these dead skin cells. This inevitably means they find a home in dirty beddings. Once they find a home in your beddings, they expose you and your pets to a range of diseases. Not the summer dream. Number 3. You sweat more during summer. There's no doubt that we sweat more during summer compared to other seasons. As such, your bedding will most likely attract a whole lot of bacteria and dirt during summer. Hence, the need to wash your bedding more often during summer. You need healthy sleep to keep that glow for summer. Number 4. Certain health conditions. Besides contracting diseases, certain health conditions like asthma and flu may require you to wash your beddings more regularly. Failure to do this may expose your loved ones and anyone you share a bed with to these health conditions. Wash it, don't spread it. Number 5. Drooling. For those who drool while sleeping, it is highly recommended to wash your bedding more frequently than others. Saliva tends to come out from the mouth as swallowing reflex relaxes during sleep. Saliva in beddings breeds bacteria. Therefore, you are required to wash regularly to remove this pile of bacteria. Here is your bonus tip. Comfortable sleep. Healthy sleep is compulsory for your overall well-being. To enjoy a deep night rest, you need clean and comfortable beddings. Your insomnia may just disappear with fresh bedding. Prepare to wash your bedding this summer. You will be happy you did. And there you have it, our top 5 reasons to wash your bedding this summer. So far, we have established the vital role your bedding plays in maintaining overall good health. From enjoying quality sleep to keeping your skin healthy, and other points in between, we hope you now understand why you should wash your beddings regularly. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something?